So hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great, well prepared for your studies. So today we have to discuss here the day 2 45 days challenge 17th January 2024. First we start the number series, decimal fraction and the square cube question 2020. This segment is we have to complete the 2020 questions of that particular topic. Now the break I taken here and the now the DI previous day one number video of the means I took here for the revision. Then the DI pre caslet we done here from the DI book of the Adda. Then the break the average topic I taken here from that average topic. Next question I solve here. Then the English section editorial and the some important topic I taken here, and the five question I completed here. Close case and misspelled sentence sentence rearrangement and the match the following. Now the next the reading comprehension and the double fill 2 hours are dedicated for the English section. Now the next is the reasoning section. Reasoning section is the taken here the different type of the sitting arrangement in the puzzle. First the designation sequence, the table linear sitting arrangement, and the score booster part here, the syllogism and the inequality and the direction sense question. 2 are dedicated for the reasoning section. Then given the quiz of the particular section of the English and reasoning, and now the extra part I take here for the quant section, that is the two type of DI bar and pi, that is pre and the some important topic I take here. The one question of the average, partnership, time and distance, ratio, proportional, profit and loss, time and work, simplification. Simplification is not that. Simple interest, compound interest, mensuration, boat and stream, then the number system quiz then completed. Then the current affair of the October 7 to 12 of October I read it out here. These the full to-do list of the 17th January 2024 for day 2. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much. गाइस प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिएगा. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड सॉल्व योर day 2 to-do list.